Hey guys, I got myself some fresh papaya and let's make some papaya sorbet. Now I'm going to change the recipe a little. It's not pure papaya. I'm going to use some papaya, some pineapple, and some sugar. Reason why is because papaya, even though it's sweet, it's not sweet enough for the sorbet. So we'll go ahead and take out the seeds. We're going to peel it as well as cut it into little bits so that we can put it into the Ninja Creami and just grind this down. Now, before we do that, we're going to basically stuff it with that. We're going to put some pineapple chunks in here, just a little bit of pineapple, and a few tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to squeeze it all in there and compact it so there's no air bubbles so that it freezes well. We got to freeze this for about 24 hours so it's nice and solid, but you want to make it nice and level so when the Ninja Creami paddle goes down, it goes down evenly. So there we go. We'll go ahead and put it in the freezer, freeze it for 24 hours, and then it takes about 4 minutes to make this super ultra delightful, refreshing sorbet. And it's a little bit tangy, a little tart, and it's super sweet because of the papaya and the sugar. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.